But in fact, all friend has a debate now person, yeah. Just make it brief. So be brief. 0302216561 0302216562 0268499347. This is your own show. Ofio Kwanso on 106.3 FM.
With the me and Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
Yanko Newton for Chimney Uncle for Sister Joa. Hello, Sister Joa. Hello.
Hello, brother.
Good afternoon, to say.
Afternoon, ayo.
The patrol into it.
Medenya mi ase so abam ho ban ene mabusua ne me ba ne Ghana man nyina yanti atika boni bia me dana se
amen simple and nice. Good afternoon going out to you. Adwa Mary. Oh, UK. And a happy belated birthday going out to you. Yes, belated happy birthday and come out. Nenyako. Yanko Achimota na yanko fa. Uye Iman now ye Emma. Emmanuel, good. So I'm going to be no other time from far. Bibi amoko there. Nice one, Pacho. Meet you.
Leader Radiasi, Odia Fudako, I come the wife of home. Leader Radiasi, so I say, so I'm not.
Amen. Yes, we that's a pie. I mean, come on, cause we share wife. I'm on who by Danny Diana. Oh, yes, to him. Amen. Oh. Yanko Madina, Nanko for quarantine. Hello, Jack quarantine.
Yeah.
Patron Wahao.
Yeah, I'm going to say.
Adumo, Bibiaboko.
Then Yanko Panto, and then get some of the way. Yeah, some of the way. Then Yanko Panto, so for now, say, to be to me, I will learn what we then Yanko Ponchano for
you. Amen.
Now, we're going to Madino.
Oh, are they?
Hey, mother, I want to do the Agrosan. Yeah, I'm my barber, my barber, from why?
You, Matty. I drink that. It's you say, won't I say different? No, Bizuti, I say different. I know just or did you grow? Yeah. Teria Waguna Swedro. Hello, Teria.
Hello, Pacho. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Pacho Frosty.
Pacho from Teria and Pepper Gwen Swedro. All
right, Pacho, you too.
The Patomini, of the boss CP, I can back up because the soft no can on China, but never put a canon, but no soft no China, but so our baffleness, no can just say, no, been point can and question, send us off the canon.
All right. Amen. Yeah, that's you ever for last caller. The idea, you for last caller now. You fancy answer. Why? Someone. Young Spinkters na young kofa Patrick. Hello, Pat.
Yeah, brother.
Patrick Boko there.
Yami Adam Nonsway.
Me hoya pa Patrick into.
Me the radia say o nkwan odi ama me na wie. Abe so brother. Besa o sha dey we so say utimi share no so na odwen ho kwa chiri pan wa nkasa beti debate na o ye no o beti ase yi pan. Na tifo so ye nyina se beti ase pan. Bible say o hwe na se onsa ba kon hawa o ye den o so ye den cha eto chene na say onsa nifa na hawo na say e wo ho sa betimi leadi wa tu
na abese wa kuma
sanity inti no say o hwe na say awa uwo mu no o hwe na say ebi na be de obekọ hela wa
ene yi hu eno so ho eno so
ba jere me da say
happy birthday and come on Reverend Samuel Nana Gate or ICGC Covenant Temple Kutubabi. May God bless you and may his oil never run dry on you. Yes. With your Irene, do know on the way by. Sounds like happy birthday and come Ronald Asamani Dankwa also Adoria's Enterprise. What to do? Wakra. May God shower his blessings on you. From Amanda Andor of Global Photo Agency. I'm out from Kaswa. David Andor, I see you. Wishing you speedy recovery. David Andor of My Joy Online. All right, Yentium Eldamreku Kakra. Shannon so say, yeah, the 9th edition of Adum Praise bro. On Friday, the 31st of August 2018, our Perez Dome, Jolu Junction, Accra. Eldamreku Jinamu din. Oh, why? Sound so Dinah Entry Hamilton. Sax Bossa, Willie and Mike, Max Praise, Pastor Kwan Manukre, Kweku Jesse, Afe Ebenezer Benjamin, Aben, Beye de Bruta. Gate opens at 6. 7 Penaya fly Dear Branton, with me I join the conversation on social media. Hashtag me Adum Praise 18. Adum Praise 18. Omrani and come na ye him. Fili Adam Rekuga Gra. Me bani tia sem wedi tu for we. Oh, Kweku Jesse na mesum de Adam Reku. They say hinna wo mumia. Facho, where Kweku Jesse why? I've said it like twice, cra. Hinna ye wo mumia.
This is Adum FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
With me and Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
Brenna so said by Kind Ketsi Zoatem anti-malaria tablets and our fake Konoswa jewelry wipes. Yeti asemwa yedi to yon for an area will fee consumedie eso. All right. And that's somewhere I did to your own for no what Brofukasem or say. Differences in life are normal. Differences in life are normal. Now, it goes on to say that the mere fact that you say you are right doesn't necessarily mean to say others are wrong. It is most likely that you may not be looking at the things from the same viewpoint or from the same perspective. TBMU. Differences in life are normal. The mere fact that you say you are right doesn't necessarily mean to say others are wrong. It is most likely that you may not be looking at the things from the same viewpoint or from the same perspective. Say a bed down soon. And you may enquire the same thing. Obi befa benkumo befa nifano. Eyade a eye normal. Ewo bra ye buimu, ewo bra kwantu mu. Se wo susu se wo de na ye. Wo de na ye papa, ana wo de na dimu no. Enkyere se obi foforo de eno de enye ana asai ana ebon kun. Ebetimi aban se bia na ba bia wo gina no se de wo hunu no edan so no chen se de afoforo aka no so no ba bia omu gina no omu hunu no enu nti wo hunu no se ba bia wo gina no anka se de wo hunu no sa pepepe na se obi ahunu no nanso ya na yeru afi se bia na omo aka no esa so omu gina ba bi foforo na enye ene omu na gina the same place need to know they see things differently. This is why here say always we be so, much in a hurry or be quick in judging others. Say we the any day we the way I say, we the way I say. Be a kind of say before you judge a man, just walk a mile in his shoes. Now who the situation now tena say an ebi abi hu di ntia utu ana mo bia na oya ade bia oye. So you betimi dance on. It is allowed. Obi betimi afasoro, obi betimi afase, obi fa benkum, obi fa nifa. Men ka say san se wo fa nifa na onyon kokko fa benkum nti se bi on de onim nyansa. There be ebia ohunu wo kwan sonko so e na so hunu no wo kwan foforo so. It is only obi anko benkro mu a, oni obi ensusu nyina anko anko wie ba bi fa ako a, eno nche se bi onim nyansa chen oni kro no, ana se bi wo ye papa chen oni kro no. Ti ya yinya abotre. We ni asem wende ye de tu ye hofo. Differences in life are normal. The mere fact that you say you are right doesn't necessarily mean to say others are wrong. It is most likely that you may not be looking at the things from the same viewpoint or from the same perspective. We need someone yedi tu yonfo ene Eswa sidano yede ma Zuatem. We a new an effective anti-malaria drug. Yeah, effectively. We have to have a design, with 2 active ingredients. And on a boy ye palma. So when your malaria, it 2 a one time the amount. Now, numbia. Quickly, it gives you relief within 24 hours. It's an excellent combination therapy. Yeah, they are now a clear disease, a diffuse system within 3 days. Not just say a 2 a deku. I'm a huato. So what I mean, excellent orange flavor. A man in nominal. Kama near kono so crack case and not just any nominal and yet the Emma Grant. But more the amount sanka Zoatemibi. Now so shall say and numbi. Na intimimwana into malaria ase and famao. Nursing mothers, any pregnant women there. Just a more consulting with doctors and sana. Mubetimianum, Zuatemia, Edimua, Dance EB. Available in all pharmacy shops near you. But for bulk purchase, now Wabamodia contacted Tap Apple Healthcare. Tap Apple Healthcare Limited. Omne producers of Zuatem. Omo Tema Community 25. Health Plaza Building. Muabitimia for 020 431-0031 of 055-000-5363. Now also on sa account there. As they do on here, ma konosua jewelry wipes. Patro wear wipes. Yeah, the jewelries ye. Ya good year. Say you chain a down kumu and necklace and now say bracelet be a down sa and now anklet be a down nine ring be a show on the amici and now we ring be musano. Say good year we no. A show there be our cow bay. Omo team fifre ni ekrom anso futuro ni ade ye fa ho nyina no na estin no tie be kakra no na etimi bright beam and sparkle beam I say enye fe beam on the me patch no it is say ekoba no sa pe na eya hadwen obi hia o because ade dey double say ni ade e mai kwa de makeup no san be count dey ni na just ade kon wo de mo dey am sanka kon so jewelry wipes bi we ba kwa 5 jewelry no agudie no 5 pound keke wa yes all the pound keke we nyi obi na yam wa kukura nsem asa agragra wo de fafa ho na woni be ba ho so no na atwa aye hyem fefefe na etija obi ehu us wa de dey afu nran kwa na akoto na because who brand new making now using for several years one day also be hwe bi echi akwan most of the jewelry shops no etuntum bi dodo pa de the boy jewelry shop and afi city gold shops wo ye Makola Accra obenya no more pa yes our phrase 0244606500 na phrase 0244531123 na ye bejo so na do bi ohia bia so ye de asomo
pharmacist me chia wo
Vakwejo meje wo so Zoatem no ama malaria no ko wu
kokra ma je malaria dro Zoatem tablets ye mpanifo fa eni Zoatem suspension amofra de ni nya tumpa be fa ye 3 days no so ya pe eni malaria ni nyina hwem ayira fi mi nipaduam sese me ho aye den menya box kura bebo
wano de den dia na wo de kan news o radio so no mitie wo
Zoatem adaworoma malaria ye ma mi bones mu ye weak sese matiesi mabafra no so Zoatem suspension ama malaria no free mu ya no ho adwofom
same ka kire wo ye malaria test na ebi wo mu a fa Zoatem ache kra 3 days na eko
o enam
empeni dia na ye wo Zoatem Fort and na Zoatem DS Zoatem wo pharmacies ni chemical shops ye pharmacy for ni dia ye to free tap